Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga Mwena wa Eldoret rushini rwa muthe umugaritio ni atongori na abunge a kiama kiu. Na ari mwena ucio Raila akiriirie kumenereria thirikari akiuga ati niwe irahinga mihango ya moogaruruku kamiti-ini ya githurano IEBC murugamo uria ona abunge acio manyitite mbaru.
So they said even Luos use sticks and they also use fly whisk. So if you tell Luos come with this fly whisk and sticks, it's not that you are calling them to war. Even if you said you are going to get IEBC out of office peacefully, like last time we were doing, we went there and we sat out there on the streets.
2014
ona mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi ni rotire thirikari kuiga mihango iyo murugamo wake ukinyitwo mbaru ni Senator Boni Khalwale uria onake ugite ati itanya ria Jubilee ni guciarithiria githurano kinene giukite.
We have to be extremely vigilant as Kenyans because the trend is that wanachelewesha process and before long they will say that it is too late.
No munini wa President William Ruto ni agithitie kiene mĩario iyo ya mung'ethaniro akiuga ati no nginyagia watho thingatwo. Muthi wa ira niguo ũyũthanio ũrakinyanĩirio igũrũ rĩa kĩrĩa makamishna a IEBC meguthukirwo mbere ya kwĩra iturwa-inĩ ciao. Na auma mwena wa Eldoret mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga eregeire mwena wa Kisumu kuria kiama kia ODM gikugwegera miaka 10. Oyo umu mushamanio wa keri wa gukugere miaka 10 wa kiama kiu thutha wa mushamanio gigutafanio mwena wa Mombatha. Mushamanio uria ukite oriri kurerikana mugayukano ngwataniro-ini ya mung'ethaniro undu uria Raila areganite naguo.
Ile sheria tuliunda katika bunge mwezi uliopita ilisema ya kwamba ikifika tarehe 30 mwezi wa Januari, that is 30th of September, the IEBC commissioners led by Isaac Hassan should have gone home. And therefore, we must reiterate today as delegates of Kisumu County.
No mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ nĩ kuona ake mũtongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka guthanganagia mihango ya kiama kĩake kia Wiper. Kalonzo atithithitie no nginyagia kahũrana gĩturwa kia president mwaka ũkĩte. Ciama ithatũ ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya mung'ethaniro ODM, Wiper na Ford Kenya ikoretwo igĩthangania mihango hatarĩ na gũkuruhania aruna ao ica ikuhĩ. Ngiribontera Inoro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Macharia wa Gacũrũ.